to be someone else, oh, yeah. Will your soul ever be ready? When you try to be someone else, if you wanna last, be sure to lead the day. 'Cause if you hide yourself, you'll miss out on opportunities. You see, everything has a purpose in this world. So won't you lose it, try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn, so will your mind follow your body? When you try to be someone else, oh, yeah. Will your soul ever be ready? When you try to be someone else, if you wanna last, be sure to lead the day. 'Cause if you hide yourself, you miss out on opportunities. You see, everything is connected in this world. So don't abuse it, try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn, so look around and feel it's a gift you've gotta use. Look around and see it's a gift not to abuse. See, every living soul has the right to feel free all around. But you lose it, try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn, so will your mind follow your body? When you try to be someone else, oh yeah. Will your soul ever be ready? Yeah. When you try to be someone else, oh yeah. When you try to be someone